Hello YouTube, this is Real Tech Now 101. Today you are in for a treat as I am going to show you one of the coolest things I know. Today I'm going to USB, like a regular USB device into your Android phone. What you're going to need for this is a micro USB to USB adapter. That's just a simple cord that takes the little plug, your little charger in your Android, and turns it into a plug. So if I plug mine in, I plugged mine into a mouse slash keyboard, and ta-da, look at that, a little mouse appears on your screen. Well, about to be shown. Oh, that's the cable. That's the cable you need. Oh, that's my other video. I have time now, so I'm just uploading a bunch. But yeah, they range from like $2 to $7, as you see there. The keyboard I'm using is, and as you can see, the keyboard works. I recommend the keyboard I'm about to show you very, very highly. It's that one, the K400. It's a very, very nice keyboard, as you can see. It's got a touchpad here, it's got buttons here. It's got 3 buttons up top. Those are volume buttons, but the newer ones are actually a home button, a music button, and a lock PC button. As you can see, it's wireless from all the way across the room, and it supports multi-gestures. Well, for Windows 8, anyway. That's the keyboard I'm using. Cool things, though, those buttons on the top I was telling you about, well, they actually work. You can go home, as you can see, my thing's way up here. If I lock my PC, it'll turn off the video recorder I'm using, so I won't do that. I made that mistake last time. It also supports multi-gestures, so right now I'm just sort of, like, moving my hands, or, like, 2 fingers up and down. It works here, too. Yeah, so you can navigate your phone, play games, whatever you want with this. If I go over here and unplug my little keyboard, another thing that you can do with this is actually, if I plug this in, actually I'm going to show you something first. Okay, I'm unplugging, I'm going to try to plug in a USB drive, and I'm going to prove to you that this works. If I go to that's the directory. It says directory is empty. If I plug in my USB drive here and give to 1, click on that. Oh, why is it not working? There we go. That's my USB drive. As you can see, I've been working with some bot files. Anyway, so that's my USB drive. You can like edit files. If I want to edit that, you can just hit open this text, because it does this. Now if I go here and I go to autoron.bat and I open as a text file, you can see I actually type stuff. So that's pretty cool. So if I finish with that, one more thing I want to show you is, let's see if I can find it. I think, aha, here it is. Right now I am going to plug in my joystick. I know you're thinking right now there's no way this is gonna work. Well, this might not work. It works sometimes, it doesn't. Here we go. Right now I am pushing up and down on my joystick, and I'm actually navigating through my phone. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So I can go over here, I can go up to apps, just keep scrolling across. You can't actually go home with the joystick. The joystick is more of like a complimentary feature to help you with stuff. Theoretically, you can though. This is not as in tune as the keyboard. It just has, you know, everything opens. If I want to go to, say, Chrome, if I click on any button, it opens Chrome. And there's no button that's home, there's no buttons that, you know, whatever. So, yeah, you can basically plug any device you want in. So thanks for watching. I think that's about it. Test whatever devices you want. I have no idea if, like a router would work, or like an internet connector would work, if whatever. These are the only devices I've tried. But thanks for watching. Um, yeah, and have fun with this. Also, if I get out of that, I come over here. This is kind of cool with the previous video I was showing you about on how to install Kali Linux on your Android device. This is, if you're done watching this video. That's completely fine, but this is just for those people who feel the need to expand their education. If I boot up Linux very quickly, and I've plugged in the first keyboard I was using, so that'll boot up in a few seconds, and then I go home, and I go to the VNC viewer. Sorry, I know the sideways screen isn't your favorite, but my screen recorder doesn't support that. As you can see, go to input mode, mouse pointer control. The cool thing is this actually sort of integrates the mouse into this, so it works the same as a regular mouse except for that thing stays there. A keyboard as well works, which is pretty cool. Also, the mouse just helps for your accuracy on this, so you don't have to put your big fat fingers on the screen and click on half the icons that you're trying to click. Just keep in mind, right click does not work. Made that mistake a lot. For some reason that's not opening. I think I tried to make it a bot file on accident, which is really stupid of me, but that's just me typing. Instead of going over here and sending text, I can just type. So this is a big help on stuff like this. Now I can just scroll over here and click exit there. Do you want to save changes? No. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, but it's pretty neat stuff. Disconnect. Boot Linux. Oh. That was a very bad idea. Thanks for watching. Have fun with this. See how many devices you can connect to it. Try headphones. Try the most extravagant things you can find. Try everything. The bigger the better. I don't know what kind of USB gizmos they have out these days, but a lot of them I think work. I have a USB splitter that actually worked. I plugged in both my joystick and my keyboard, and that worked. It didn't work with the USB though. As soon as I did that, it just sort of shut down and basically crashed the drivers for it. I had to restart my phone. Not like clear all the data, but I had to restart it. So your phone though, anything you do is fine. But anyway, have fun with this. It should be a great addition to your Android life. And you have the ability now to create a full-fledged computer that can do basically anything a real computer would do. With my previous videos and this, you can just turn it into a real computer. Who needs a computer, right? Actually, a funny story on that, my computer has been in repair for 2 months now, which is why I've done this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.